Hi, this is Varsha. I have completed BBA Airline and Airport Management in REMO International College. I have successfully placed in TrueJet as a ground staff. Thank you for this great opportunity. Thank you for the REMO Manager.
I'm Vishal. I've studied B.sc in Aviation from REMO International College and I've got placed in SpiceJet. And thanks for the wonderful opportunity given by REMO International College.
Hi guys, my name is David Joshua Stewart and I completed BBA Airline Airport Management in REMO International College, and I got placed in Indigo as an airline security. So thank you to my college because they trained me for past 3 years. I've been struggling a lot more. So it's an honor. I got a job as an airline security. So all credit goes to my college. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Pran Joshi. I completed my B.sc Aviation from REMO International College. I was a student of the very first batch of B.sc of this college, and during my third year I got placed in SpiceJet Limited, and my course was from 2017 to 2020. So during my tenure as a student in the REMO International College, we were taught about every aspect of aviation, not only the technical side but also the people side, communication, etc. We were given an overall holistic education, and at the beginning of the third year itself, the placement trainings were started, and because of the various trainings about the interview process and everything, I got placed in SpiceJet, and I have been working there for about a year and a half now. So I thank REMO International College for their overall approach at targeting every side of education and how a person has to be professionally prepared for a career. That's it.
I am Abdul Rahim. I am pursuing my degree in REMO International Aviation College, and I got a job in Go First Airline as a customer response executive, and I thank the management and REMO placement team.
Hi, I am Mohammad Rehan. Currently, I am pursuing Bachelor's of Science in the field of aviation in REMO International College. I got placed in Go First Airways as Customer Response Executive. Thank you for REMO International College and placement team for giving this opportunity.
Hi, good morning. My name is Naveen Kumar. I'm currently pursuing B.sc Bachelor of Science at REMO International College. I got placed in Go First as a Customer Response Executive. And once again, thank you for REMO International College placement team.
I'm C.K. Darshni Priya from Chennai, and I have completed my graduation Bachelor's of Business Administration in Airline and Airport Management from REMO International College, Alandur, Chennai. And I got placed in Indigo Airlines as Customer Service Executive in Chennai International Airport. And this was only to the help of my college and the placement department in the college. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.